Madhuri ma'am.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Aryan.
No, ma'am, we can hear you.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, and your
Now my
everything
voice
is
is
proper.
Ma'am,
Yes,
not.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I can't hear
uh,
you.
Aheli is there. Which
No,
child is
ma'am.
saying that they can't hear me?
No, ma'am, it is
No, ma'am, I can't
clear and your board is
hear
also
you.
very clear.
Please switch off your microphones, everyone. Switch off your microphones, everyone.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Switch off your microphone, everyone. Now my voice is coming. Aryan, Devanshi, my
Yes,
voice
ma'am.
is clear.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, your voice is clear and
Okay.
your board
First,
is also very clear.
okay now. Thank you, children. So, uh, good morning to all of you.
Ma'am.
Yes. Good
Renu,
morning.
ma'am.
Yes, tell me, my dear.
Renu, ma'am.
Yes, I can hear you. Who's this? Which child is this?
Aheli,
Aheli, yes, I
Yashvi,
can hear you. Tell me,
Yashvi
Aheli.
Narola. Why are you presenting your screen?
Please switch off your microphone, everyone. Okay, now I'll start my class. As you all know that today we have started addition of fractions. So we have done with the like fractions, we have done with unlike fractions, how to add that fractions. Today we are going to add the mixed fractions. Am I audible to everyone, Madhuri ma'am? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible and your board also is clear
Okay,
enough.
thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
So now we are going to solve the addition of these mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, you all know there's something in the whole number and the fraction also there. So now we are going to first convert it into the improper. Convert into the improper fraction. So for converting into the improper fraction, what we have to do, we first
Ma'am, I
multiply
can't hear
this.
you. Renu,
Aheli,
ma'am.
log out and log in again.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Log out and log in again,
No,
my
yeah.
dear.
Ma'am, we have to write in the notebook.
Excuse me,
Not
ma'am.
now. Yes.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Aheli, log out and log in.
So now first we have to multiply this denominator with this whole number. I am keeping the denominator same. So 1 into 8 and plus this numerator. So then plus sign and 6, keeping the denominator. So now stop presenting your screen. Keeping the denominator same, 6 into 2 or 2 into 6 plus this numerator. Now when you solve this, 1 into 8 is 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. 11 upon 8 plus 2 into 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13 upon 6. After getting the improper fraction, now you will apply here the butterfly method. Multiply this with this number, multiply this with this number and multiply the denominators.
Renu, ma'am, your board is not visible.
Okay.
The bottom part is
No,
not
ma'am,
to be
ma'am, your
seen.
voice is
Ma'am, I
clearly.
don't understand
Yeah.
this.
Now,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, now it is okay.
So first we have multiplied this number with this number. 8 ones are 8 plus 3
I
is.
can't see you.
Yes,
Ma'am, I don't understand this.
I will explain it again. Which child is this?
Ma'am, Jayal.
Ma'am, Madhuri ma'am, Aheli is still facing the problem. Madhuri ma'am. Madhuri ma'am, are you there? Aryan, Devanshi?
Yes, ma'am.
We can hear clearly. Ma'am, it's clearly we can hear you.
Ma'am, Jayal.
Switch off your microphones, everyone.
Ma'am, we are able to hear you. Someone has in a internet connection, so they are facing problem. We can hear properly and see your board clearly.
Okay, thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
So, switch off your microphone, everyone. Aheli, please check your internet. Now, as I said, we have to convert it into the improper. 8 into 1 is 8, plus 3 is 11 upon 8. 6 into 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13 upon 6. Now, yesterday I told you to apply the butterfly method. Butterfly method says this numerator will multiply with this denominator and this numerator will multiply with this denominator, and for the denominator multiply the denominators with the denominators. Let us see here. 6 8s are 48. 11 6s are 66. Plus, now tell me what is 13 8s are. Write in the chat box. 13 8s are. Please write in the chat box. Okay.
Renu ma'am, we can hear you and see you. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry, I got a little bit hanged up. That is why.
Now you got 66 plus 104. So 66 plus 104. Please write the answer in the chat box. Please write the answer in the chat. Yes, it's 170. I will write the answer here up. It's 170 upon 648. When the question is in mix, you also have to give the final answer also in the...
Ma'am, but first we will do it to the lowest term.
Yes. So you have to either do it in the lowest term first, or you can do it directly in the mixed also. So when the question is in the mixed, you also have to give, it's compulsory to give the answer also in the mixed. So now you have to divide to give the answer in the mixed. Now tell me in table of 48, 1 is not coming, 17 is not coming. So 170 or less than 170 comes in how many times? Please write the answer in the chat box. Four is a 30, 2, 4, 16, 17, 18, 19. So it will be 190. No, how it is 4 times? Just it will be 192 if it is 4 times. Then we will check with the 3 times. What is when we multiply 48 with the 3? What will be the answer? Please write in the chat box. Please write the answer in the chat box. Yes. 48 3s are 144. When we subtract 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2, 26. Now how we will write? How we will write in the fraction? Or the another method is also, first you do it in the lowest term and then divide and write it in the fraction. Now tell me how we will write it in the mixed fraction. Write the answer in the chat box. Write answer in the chat box. How you will write this in the mixed fraction? Yes, children, I'm waiting for the answer. 48 is the denominator. And your quotient will come here and your remainder will go up. Till yesterday, Aheli, as now you can hear me, Aheli? Aheli?
Yeah, she is not
Can
able
you
to
hear
hear
me
you,
now?
ma'am.
Still she can't.
No, she
She's
is not
telling
able to
yes.
hear you.
She's telling
No,
yes now.
in the yeah, okay. You can continue.
So Aheli, as I was explaining, when you have to add the mixed fraction, you first have to convert it into the improper. Improper, how you will convert? You have to multiply this number with this number and add this number, as I have done here. 1 into 8, 1 into 8 plus 3 is 11 upon 8. 2 into 6 plus 1 is 13 upon 6. After getting the improper fraction, you have to do the butterfly method, which is multiply this number with this number and this number with this number and the denominators with the denominators. After this, 8 6 are 48 will be your denominator, 11 6 are 66 and 13 8 are 104. Now you have to add these two numbers and divide and write the answer in the mixed fraction. It is compulsory when the question is in mix, you also have to write the answer in the mix.
Why we did 66 plus 1?
66 plus is 104. 11 6 are 66. Devanshi, have you understood yesterday the butterfly method?
Yes, ma'am, but take your laptop this side because this side screen I cannot see. Take your laptop this. Yeah, okay, ma'am.
So it's 66 plus 104 divided by 48. When you add 66 plus 104, your answer will be 170 divided by 48. First, you have to do it in the lowest term and then divide, or you can directly divide and get the answer in the mixed. Am I clear to everyone now?
Yes. I did 66 plus 104. Is that?
Which child is asking?
She.
Devanshi, yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I was saying that, ma'am, why we did add 66 plus 104?
Because we have to add here the fractions. If sign of subtract, we will subtract. If the sign of addition, we will add them. And taking the common denominator.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Got all? Yes.
Yeah.
So we got the common denominator now. It is compulsory to have the common denominator.
Yes,
and common denominator we are getting with the butterfly method. After the common denominator, it is easy to add. Yes, my dear. Tell me.
मैम 66 बटरफ्लाई के बाजू में 66 प्लस क्या है बाजू में मुझे दिख नहीं
Speak in English.
मैम बटरफ्लाई मेथड
What is the next number after this? Yes, after this we have solved this. 11 into 6 is 66. 13 into 8 is 104. And 8 into 6 is 48. Got it now? Children, got it or not?
Yes, ma'am. Now I understand.
Yes, after solving this, we got this. Now, after the common denominator, we have the different numerator which we have to add them. Because the sign is here, the sum is telling add. That's why we have to add them. After adding 66 plus 104, you got 170. And 170 is the numerator and 48 is the denominator.
Ma'am.
Yes, my dear. Tell me.
Now, because right now.
Yes, you can write now, children.
Ma'am, I did not understand.
Which child is this?
Ma'am, you have to write in the notebook.
Yes, write in the notebook fast.
Ma'am.
Addition of mixed fraction.
Ma'am, I have written.
Ma'am, Madhuri ma'am, can you check which child is this?
Ma'am, Prithvi.
Yes, Prithvi, tell me.
Ma'am, I did not understand this.
Prithvi, you were there in the session full time?
Yes, ma'am.
Prithvi, where you are facing the problem, tell me.
Ma'am, in the butterfly method.
What problem you face in the butterfly method?
Ma'am, I did not understand that. Ma'am, we have to
Yesterday, whatever I explained, Prithvi, have you understood that?
Yes, ma'am.
Purva Jain.
Prithvi, when I told that when the denominators are not same, we have to keep the denominators same. So this is the method is allow us or tell us how to bring the denominator same. Yes. Have you done my yesterday's worksheet which I sent to you?
Ma'am, I can't see. Can you move little bit?
Even Purva is having doubt. All are speaking together only.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
because of network problem, I can't see your screen. So I can send you the mail. So can you send me the recording?
No recording.
Purva,
No recording.
yesterday,
You have to pay attention in my class.
Purva, yesterday also you did the same thing. Ma'am, yesterday also he demanded for video.
No video. Sorry. You have to pay. I will explain it again. No problem. I will do it again. It's okay. But no recorded videos. I will
Ma'am, you
erase
can
it, I will explain you again. And
Ma'am,
children
can you
don't understand.
take another? Ma'am, can you take the another option? Means another number, and can you explain again?
Okay.
Ma'am, I have not written yet.
It's okay. I will write again.
Don't worry, ma'am is writing again. Wait, everyone. And nobody will speak in between. Just pay attention on the board.
Now, can you all see my different sum? It's 2 whole number 3 upon 6. 3 whole number 1 upon 2. Now, how I will add this? So, first I need to convert it into improper fraction. So first I need to convert it into the improper fraction. 6 into 2 is, see how to convert it into the improper, keeping the denominator same, putting the plus sign and write the denominator of the another. Now be ready to convert 6 into 12, 2 or 2 into 6. Plus sign, because this is the method. Multiply these two numbers, add this. Multiply these two numbers, add this. So 2 into
Excuse
6
me,
plus
ma'am.
3. Yes.
Ma'am, there was some connectivity issue, so I can't join. So can you please tell what we have to do?
My dear, next time you please be on time. It's 10:34 and your class ends at 10:40.
No, ma'am.
Maisha, just copy what ma'am has written on the board.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Just
10:50.
Rupa Lilia, keep quiet.
So now
Always.
convert it into improper fraction. After this, you have to convert it. Here the number is 2. So these two numbers will be multiplied and you have to add this number. 2 into 6 plus 3. For next fraction also we will do the same thing. 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is what? Please write the answer in the chat box. So 2 into 3 plus 1. This is the method. Multiply these two numbers and add the numerator in that number. Yes. Now after this, you will solve this now. 2 into 6. 2 into 6 is what? Please write in the chat box. 2 into 6 is 12 plus 3. Please write in the chat box. Plus 3. What will be the answer? Yes, Anubhavi, 15. And your denominator is 6. Yes, Prakriti, I have taken the another number. Now I am explaining this next sum with the same method. 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1. 7 upon 2. After converting them into the improper, you all know what is improper. Please write in the chat box which improper fraction, why they are improper fractions. Please write in the chat box why these fractions are the improper fractions. I want answer in the chat box. Why these fractions are improper fractions? Yes, Krishita. Because the numerator is greater than the denominator. Now, after converting into the improper, now we have to make the, we have to keep the denominators same. I want the common denominator. Here, I don't have common denominator. So, which method I will apply to bring the common denominator? Please write in the chat box.
Ma'am, we can also the 15 upon 6 in the lowest term, and the common denominators will come 2 and 2 and 2. And
yes. So now, yesterday I told you
No
the
butterfly
LCM
method.
Yesterday I told you the LCM method is also for calculating the common denominator, and butterfly method is also for the common denominator. Now see how to apply the butterfly method.
Renu ma'am,
This, yes ma'am.
not able to see down the board from down what you are writing. Yeah, now it is fine. Thank you.
Now multiply this numerator with this denominator. So don't make the butterfly together. If you do go step by step, it will be easy for you. Multiply 15 into 2 and write the answer here. Tell me what will be the answer. Yes, 30. Put the plus sign because we are adding the fractions. Now this numerator with, this denominator with this numerator. And tell me what will be the answer. 7, 6, what will be the answer? Please write in the chat box. 42. Very good. Now we will make here this butterfly face. So 6 into 2 is what? 12. Yes, very good. So now next step is to add them, because now next we can see that there is an addition sign and we got the common denominator. Our half problem is solved. So now 30 plus 42 is 72. Yes, children. And write the denominator, which is 12. Now you can check whether 72 or 12 are coming in any one table. Do it into the lowest term. And how you will check the lowest term? By taking the HCF of 72 and 12. And take out the highest common factor. Take out the answer and tell me what is the HCF.
6 whole.
What is the HCF, Aryan?
6 whole.
6
Whole.
Let's check. Yeah, it can be 6 whole also. So now we can take out the HCF. That is 2. We start with 2. 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. What was your HCF, children? and 3, it is, I will do it here for 12. Can you all see? Yes or no, children? So 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, and 3 1s are 3. Now we will take out, write the factors of 72. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And the factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3. So this common 2, this common 2, and 1 common 3. So we got 1, 2. So which is the highest here now? Which is the highest common factor, children?
12.
Yes. 12. 2 into 2 into 3. Now, after getting the HCF, we will divide the numerator and the denominator with the same number. I'm going to erase this. I will send you the practice worksheet.
Lady ma'am, they have not written this in the book.
It's okay, ma'am. I'll send them the practice worksheet. If they understood, it's good.
Yeah, please tell again because they are asking in the chat box, do we have to write?
No, children. If you understood, it's okay. I will send you the practice worksheet. You will practice this sums. Yes.
If you are,
Ma'am, I have written.
it's okay if you have written. Fine.
So our sum was 72 was the numerator and 12 was the denominator. Now we divide with the 12 because we want the, what we have to do now after the reducing to the lowest term, we divide it in table of 12. 72 comes how many times? Please write the answer in the chat box. Yes, 6, and this is 1. So it is 6 whole. Yes, children. So the answer is 6, or you can leave the answer 72 upon 12 or write the answer 6 also. Understood now, children, how to solve how to add the mixed fractions? Please write in the chat box.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, my dear.
That 3 upon 6 and 2 whole was, we can also first do it to the lowest term and then do. So
Yes.
So
it will be easy for you.
Yes, denominators will be also equal.
Yes. See, mathematics have many methods to solve the sums. As I told you, for this also, for making the denominator same, we can do it with the LCM method. We can do it with the butterfly method.
Ma'am, your
Now-
voice is breaking.
Now it's clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, children, open your textbook. Open your textbook, page number 58.
Your board is blurred.
Now it's clear?
Yes.
Open your textbook, page number 58. Madhuri ma'am, I'm going to show them screen. Just guide me.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please repeat the page number?
58. Page number 58.
Yes, ma'am, it is presentable.
See, on 58, have done this to make the grid and color the half blue. So what will be the half? 1 upon 2 of 16. I hope you children have done this. Yes or no, children? Switch on your microphone and tell me.
No.
You want to understand this also? I should repeat it again.
Yes.
Okay. Can you all see along with the screen? Can you all see my board also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Along
ma'am. The
with
board
the
and the
screen,
screen both are visible.
Both are visible? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Both are visible.
So now along with the screen, I will read the sum for you from screen and write and solve it here. So please pay attention here. On page number 57, the sum was telling, look at a grid A again as the grid color half. Question number 3 we will solve. Draw grid of 16 square and mark pattern. First, we will make a grid of 16 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
16.
Can you all see the grid of 16?
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is saying 2/8 red. Can you all see this also?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
we
Both is
will
visible.
find what is the 2/8 of 16. So 2 upon 8 multiplied by 16. We will cut this denominator at 1. This is the lowest term we are doing. So 8 ones are 8, 8 to the 16, and 2 into 2 is 4. So we will color 4 boxes red. So I will write R, 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 R. So my pattern will be, it should be a pattern. Red, red, red. This way also I can do. Now 1 upon 2 yellow. So 1 upon 2 of 16 again, because total we have 16 blocks.
8.
Yes, 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. So 8 will be yellow. You can also create any pattern, yellow, yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Clear? Then 1 upon 4 green. So what is the 1/4 of 16? Tell me, children, what is the 1/4 of 16? Can you hear me, children?
4, ma'am.
4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, and 1 into 4 is 4. So 4 boxes
4.
green. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
So are you all clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So this way you have to make the grid number B. Again make the grid 16 boxes and calculate what is the 3/16 of 16, 5/16 of 16, and 1/2 of 16. So B grid is your homework. Draw it in your notebook and color according to the colors which are given in your book. Clear? Yes or no?
Ma'am, I don't understand this.
Which child is this?
Ma'am, Jaiwal.
Jaiwal, yes, tell me. Jaiwal, where you face the problem?
Ma'am, how the colors will...
But it's up to you. You first have to calculate what is the 1/4 of 16. Because you have joined this chapter from the beginning, Jaiwal.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have start from beginning only, but at between I have not done this.
So
Because
you
my net...
see, here the total blocks are 16, right?
Yes.
So we have to calculate the 1/4 of 16. So what is the 1/4 of 16? So we will divide this number with this number, or cut 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. And 4 into 1 is 4. So means 4 blocks will be 3. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, can you repeat which one they have to do in the homework?
Question number 3, B sum.
Okay.
Page number 57. I will write here page number 57. Question number 3, sum number B is your homework to do in the notebook. Clear?
Ma'am, in notebook or in textbook?
Notebook. Textbook, you don't have a space, my dear.
You are not
Notebook,
supposed
you have
to tell
to
that
draw.
the time is over or not.
You have
Ma'am, I
to
have
draw.
done in my textbook at this side 2 grids are there. Yes, I have drawn 2 grids, ma'am.
Tell me,
Yes, ma'am.
what happened, just?
Ma'am,
Those who have
Ma'am,
done in
there
the
is-
textbook, it's okay. Those who have not done till now, they will do in the notebook, because you have to color the boxes. And coloring is not possible to draw in the textbook. Clear, my children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So, please do question number 3, sum number B in your notebook. I will check in my next class. And we have done today how to add the mixed fractions. We'll be sending you a worksheet based on today's topic. So I'm done with today's class. Thank you, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.